and today we're going to a dreamy land called Pixie Patch. And roll around like a happy baby pixie. Oh, hang on a minute. Something doesn't seem quite right here, does it? Oh, looks a bit dull and dreary. Oh, look, here's Joy, the butterfly. Let's do our butterfly pose. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Wow, I'm a useless butterfly. Oh, I'm not good enough. Doopy-doopy-doo. You see? Super strong. Nicodemia the witch appears.
Looks like my negativity spell is working.
We've really got to do something, haven't we, about this? In a sky of dark clouds, be a rainbow.
We can imagine all the ways that something can go well. We can make it sparkle, make a rainbow. Let your worries go, make a rainbow.
Come on, everyone. Show me your best witchy dancing. Ready?
Help, 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 make a rainbow. We can make it sparkle, make a rainbow.
Namaste.